Obliged, your lordship.
One day you want every relief, huh?
Okay.
Yes.
Obliged, your lordship.
Yes.
Jump matter, NDPS issued.
Yes. This is any 96. Yes. Yes. Right. Good.
Pardon, my lord. Item 27.
ma'am.
I'll just call. Wait.
What did you say?
Obligement.
Yes.
My lords, with my lord's permission, may I mention, my lord?
Yes. Yes.
My lords, there is a matter CRLMC 13862024, my lords. It's a petition against cognizance order, my lords. Lords, with my lord's permission, it may be listed with expeditiously because the trial is about to proceed.
Trial is cognizance.
Mention memo has been
When the
against
cognizance
against an order of cognizance.
when the
My lords,
cognizance was?
in the month of March, my lords.
March. Okay. You give the memo. We'll see. Huh?
Memo has been moved by Om Swarup, my lords. Om Swarup is the filing counsel.
We'll see you and get it listed. Don't worry.
My lords.
Yes. Yes.
Madam, please, lordship, madam. Madam, in this application, the petitioner challenges the order dated 15/3/2024, wherein, my lord, the counsel for the petitioner file an application to call for the Anganwadi mistress, Kenjhar Anganwadi Center, to adduce defense witness to prove the actual date of birth of the victim, my lord. What happened? Petitioner was facing trial for the
You have 311 applications.
after closure of prosecution, my lord. They have filed an application to adduce the defense evidence, my lord.
Then that,
That has been rejected, my lord.
where is that?
My lord.
You are for whom? You
I
are
am for the accused, my lord.
accused. You moved the application for defense evidence,
My lord.
which is turned down.
My lord.
Where is that order?
Page 11, my lord.
Yes. Relevant part?
Relevant part, my lord. Page 12, last part, my lord. Peruse the material available in case record. In the affair, it is mentioned that the victim was a minor on the date of the alleged occurrence during their examination in the court as PW1, PW2, and PW3, respectively. The informant, the
Yes.
victim.
Yes. Mr.
No, no, no. What happened in this case, my lord? The accused on the evidence of prosecution closed, my lord. He had been recorded. Question put by the court whether you are interested to adduce deficiency. He is ready. And he filed a petition before the court, my lord, saying that you summon the defense witness and produce the register, my lord. With regards to date of birth, my lord. Here, my lord, PW 16 is the headmaster of the school, who, my lord, admittedly came to the court and during course of investigation, that date of birth has been, my lord, seized and that has been produced. And he is, my lord, testified, my lord. He has stated that victim date of birth is the 9/4/96, my lord.
He wants to examine whom?
Anganwadi mistress, my lord. Your lordship kindly glance to page 19, my lord.
My high school certificate is not there. Then only
Even if Anganwadi is examined, how does it make difference to you?
they can can produce the Anganwadi.
Even if Anganwadi comes, it will not prejudice the prosecution.
What happened in this case, my lord? Date 2 years varied, my lord. The Matti certificate, my lord, which was given by the competent court headmaster examining this case, he stated that date of birth.
You are correct. I'm not on that. What I'm trying to say is,
Since
he has a indefensible right
My
of
lord.
leading defense evidence.
my lord,
Hey, how can you stop it?
that he has to produce the witness, my lord. I'll petition and
You produce
ask the
one
court
day.
to call for
One date I give.
that is not there, my lord. What I beg to submit, my lord. They wanted the court to issue summons as a defense.
No, you bring the
They
order.
are duty, they have to produce the defense. Set up a
And because, my lord, your lordship kindly glance to the page 19, my lord. I have applied on the Acti Act, my lord.
Court will not be a party to, you know.
And the honorable settlement, there is no scrap of paper available with the case there. How can the court issue?
My lord,
You have to produce.
See, and he
my
can
lord,
do it.
your lordship kindly glance to the page 19, my lord.
One
I
night.
have applied for the Acti Act, my lord. Where the Anganwadi mistress stated that Janma Tarikh hala 18/5/94. He has to, my lord.
Bring her. Summon her.
कोर्ट के समन करियो कोर्ट से डो मना करे
Someone करे ना court witness तरह है ना
कोर्ट
आप
नो गेनिंग अंगनवाड़ी किसी डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं कोर्ट पाके
I give an opportunity.
My lord, your lordship, my lord.
से आगे करता करो
हाँ, letter counsel for the petitioner is agreed. The present petition is the file challenging the order dated 15/3/2024 passed by letter PO Special Court under Poksho Mayurbanj in
City case number 70 of
City
2000.
case number 70 of 2020, 2014, whereby his application for summoning the defense witness has been turned down. Has
Madam.
been turned down.
Last paragraph.
Has been turned down.
Last
Let counsel for the petitioner submits that he wants to lead in his statement under section 313. He has categorically mentioned that he would lead the defense evidence, and accordingly he intended to examine the witness, which has been turned down. Mr. Ragda APS for the state and submits that it is the petitioner being the accused is entitled to lead his own evidence by summoning the witness of his choice, but he cannot insist the court to issue summons to any witness. I am up for the
With regard to date of birth, Schedule 16 has already been examined.
he further submits that in regard to the date of birth of the victim girl, PW 16
Headmaster
headmaster for the school has already been examined,
Madam.
and the petitioner has sufficiently cross-examined that witness.
Madam.
Therefore, in that regard, the defense evidence is not required.
With regards to date of birth.
In regard to the date of birth of the victim girl. I have considered the submission made by both the counsel at the bar and the considered review that the petitioner is entitled to lead his defense evidence and defense evidence. He may summon any witness of his choice to establish any point he intended to place on record. For that purpose, one opportunity is granted to the petitioner to summon his own witness, and if such
Produce your own witness.
produce the same witness,
Produce.
if such witness is produced by the accused, he shall be afforded one opportunity by the court below. With this observation, the petition is
Madam.
yes. ଏଟା ଦେଖିକିରି ଆପଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
On behalf of P. Anup Das. Your Lordship, this is the compromise matter and partition for.
Yes. What is the offense, sir?
Offenses are, Lordship, 341.
323 and all. Yes. Call it.
5 minutes.
There are two cases. Why?
Yes, Lordship.
Yes,
Take counter, yes, Lordship.
Need a case.
Second
Three
case,
in front, the accused.
Okay. Hello.
the informative. आप फाइल को देखिए.
ডাকো জলদি ডাকো
আসুন এটি আছে
রমা চন্দ্র রাউত প্রতিভা রাউত and
রামচন্দ্র রাউত প্রতিভা রাউত কে
বাল্মীকি রাউত
Lordship, one of the petition of Pittavas Rao, it's
One minute,
not
one
present,
minute,
but he is present in.
1 minute.
বিসি আছে হ্যাঁ বিসি আছে
Don't worry. Punita Raut, Balmiki.
আপনারা বনিতা
Yes.
বনিতা সেকেন্ড কেস আছে
Second case.
Second case না
বাল্মীকি
এইটারে বাল্মীকি
আচ্ছা বাল্মীকি আছে
বাল্মীকি রাউত কি ফার্স্টটা করিয়া গোটে করিয়া তারপর বাল্মীকি রাউত দেখো at the instance of opposite party number 2 FIR number so and so under section so and so came to be registered against the petitioner. The allegation against the petitioner in the instant case is that an allegation made in the FIR.
This is second case motor dharma. First case টা
Allegation টা লিখে দেবো allegation টা লিখে দেবো The party charge sheet has been filed.
Yes,
Cognizance has been taken.
Cognizance.
Charge sheet in the present after investigation charge sheet was filed on 29/9/2023 and on 12/12/2023 cognizance for offense under section
340
under section
506, 323,
294, 341,
34 of IPC.
IPC was taken. Was taken when before the trial could commence. the parties have settled the dispute. Petitioner number 1 and 2, petitioners and opposite party number 2 are present in the court. Present in the court. Court being represented by their counsel. And they filed the self-represented copy of the petitioners. Where is the joint affidavit?
61.
Then 60.
1. Annex to 4, my
And
lord.
it's a full lordship.
59th of court.
15.
Petitioner and before notary, notary public.
57.
Notary public.
Notary public, before notary public. Where is the, have you filed here?
Lordship, yes, Lordship. I filed the affidavit in the petition, Lordship, in the Annex 4, page number 57 to 60.
I'm asking whether you have filed an affidavit in this court or not.
Court file kasindi.
These are the affidavit shown before the public, notary public. Have you filed here?
Both concerned file kasindi. Both concerned file
No, what concern is, Lordship, no notary.
Notary, I understand, sir. Notary you have filed. Whether you have filed any affidavit before this court separately? No.
No, Lordship.
Why are you so confused? Don't
I
get
don't have the knowledge about
excited.
that, yes, Lordship. I have not the.
I'm asking whether you have filed here. You should have filed the affidavit here also, na? Anyway, the part, Pitavaso has filed affidavit. Valmiki and Pitavaso. Valmiki Pitavaso are not the party to this.
Valmiki,
Valmiki Rao.
OP2.
Annexure 4, Valmiki Rauto and Pitavas Rauto. Pitavas Rauto is not an accused in this case.
Pitavaso petitioner 2.
Petitioner 2.
Valmiki Rao.
Valmiki Rao,
Opposite party
opposite
number
party,
two, the
okay.
first case, Lordship.
The petitioner and opposite party number 2 have filed an affidavit dated 15/4/2024 and placed before the and attested by the notary public and which has been placed on record as annexure 4 to the present. In the said affidavit, they have inter alia stated that to maintain peace and tranquility in the area on the intervention of the elders and village gentry, they have settled their dispute, and opposite party number 2 is not willing to proceed against the petitioner anymore. On that basis, the petitioner is seeking quashing of the present FIR. Mr. Ragada appears for the state and submits that the allegations are inter se party and the parties have settled their dispute. Both the parties are present in the court and on query from the court, the opposite party number 2 states that he doesn't want to proceed against the petitioner. Therefore, there is no legal impediment in quashing the FIR. And what are the injury to 323 to 23?
Yes, Lordship.
How much the cross case? What
That's a check.
he will pay to them? They will pay to them. What is the use? Yes.
Second case.
Second case. Come on, second case. Valmiki. At the instance of opposite party number 2, FIR number so and so came to be registered against the petitioner.
Opposite 2 hoji Pitavasara wife.
That I will not write separately. The allegation against the petitioner is agenda in the allegation. Okay. The parties have. Where is the affidavit here? Same.
My lord, page number 59, my lord, annex to 4.
Now the opposite petitioner and opposite party number 2 are present in the court for being represented by the council and identified with them, and they filed self-represented copy of Aadhaar card which are taken over to establish their identity. The petitioner and opposite party number 2 have filed a joint affidavit dated 15/4/2024, notarized before the notary public at Cuttack, and which the said affidavit is placed on record as an annexure 4 to the present petition. Present petition. In the said affidavit, the parties have inter alia stated that they have settled their dispute amicably on the intervention of the elders and the well-wishers. Therefore, the opposite party number 2 is not interested to prosecute the petitioner in the present case. Accordingly, the petitioner has approached this court for seeking quashing of the FIR on the ground of settlement. Mr. Ragada appears for the state and submits that since the dispute is inter se party and the parties have settled their dispute, and parties have settled their dispute, all the parties to the FIR are present in the court, and on query from the court, the opposite party number 2 submits that he doesn't want to C doesn't want to proceed against the petitioner. Hence, there is no legal impediment. The answer is also was okay. Next.
Item 3.
Yes.
My lord, this is a petition to pass the proceedings on the entire proceedings. As far as this case is concerned, it's a covered matter. Coming to the
UW.
history, yeah, UW, and coming to the base from which this case arises.
UW council is not there. I'll issue notice and place it Tuesday. Issue notice.
State the proceeding.
Tuesday.
Many UW.
Sir, Tuesday.
Okay. UW.
And nobody is going to take any action because election is going on. Everybody is busy. The police is also busy. Yes.
Item 4.
May I please, my lords? My lords, I happen to BC, my lords.
Yes, sir.
My lords, in this petition, the petitioner has challenged the impugned order passed by the court below under Annexure 5 series, wherein the court below rejected the petition of the petitioner for sending the disputed checks to FSL for examination. With
I'll issue, because it is the NI Act, so therefore I have to issue notice to the opposite side.
My lords, I have also filed an IA for stay of the proceeding, because unless the proceeding...
See, these are 138 NI Act cases, and no stay can be granted because there is a statutory requirement.
For limited period, my lords, because unless the proceeding will be stayed, the purpose of approaching this...
I'll put it for next week.
Yes.
You serve them first. Okay, issue notice, returnable next week, and you serve, immediately you serve.
I'll do it tomorrow, my lords. By tomorrow, I'll submit a copy.
Sort it out next week.
My lords, much grateful, my lords.
Item 5.
Yes.
24/2022
Bail.
बेल मिलर 11/3/2014
11/3/2014
NBW
500. Yes.
Item 6.
My lord, Belgium matter, my lord.
Yes.
NBW on 5/8/2022. I was on bail, my lord, 10/3/2016, my lord. 10/3/2016.
500.
My lord.
Yes.
Item 7.
My lord, the NBW has been challenged under 4, my lord. Matter relating to, my lord, the petitioner is the president of the Gopalji temple.
You tell me when you got the bail.
My lord, after final report, the complainant has filed the protest petition, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the NBW has been issued. My lord,
Never appear, you absconding.
Protest.
By taking cognizance on the protest petition filed by the opposite party number 2 on the complaint, by complainant, the NBW has been issued against the petitioner on 22/3/2024. The petition is agreed by the said order, subject to petitioner appearing before the court so and so was. Yes.
Item 8.
8 मिलर बेल है 30/10/2023 ଆଉ NBW 20/3/2024
NBW 23 ନା 16/5
23 ଲେଖାଇ
20/3/2024
ରେ 23 ଲେଖାଇ
ବେଲ ମିଲର 31/10/2023 ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ 2 ଜଣ ପିଟିସନର ଆଉ ଜଣେ ପିଟିସନର ନମ୍ବର 2 ହେଲା 30/10/2023
so 500 each out.
24 ମସିହାରେ ଏବେ ଖାଲି 3 ମାସରେ
500 in total. 500. Yes.
Item 9.
I beg your pardon, my lord.
Yes.
ওই নাটা ଟିକେ রিফ্লেক্ট করଦେଲେ ବିବେକାନନ୍ଦ ଭୂୟାଙ୍କର
OPID matter. You do not-
OPID, you
ହଁ,
don't-
OPID ତା କରିଦେବି ଆଜ୍ଞାଙ୍କର matter
B ଭୂୟାଁ,
ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର
B
ଲାଗି
ଆଇଟମ 3 ଟା
ବିବେକାନନ୍ଦ ଭୂୟାଁ।
ବିବେକାନନ୍ଦ ଭୂୟା
ହଁ, ଓକେ yes next
ନେକ୍ସଟ ମିଲର NBW 16/5/2022 ବେଲରେ ଥିଲି 205 ରେ 21/3/2014
500 yes
Item 10.
My lord, Belgium matter 10/6/2018 41 ଛାଡିଥିଲେ 20/3/2024 NBW
41 notice was sent
16/10/2018
16/10/2018
16/10/2018
10/6/2018
ତ ଆପଣ ବି
10/6/2018 NBW 20/3/2024
41 notice was there with police under Sundu under yeah ठीक है okay 500 yes
Item 11.
My lord, similar order passed under Annexure 5 series
what similar order
NBW question
Annexure 5 টা আছে NDPS କୁ ଆସାଇଛି ସେ Annexure 5 ଅନୁସାରେ ଅର୍ଡର
Annexure 5.
Same case, same.
same case same
RLMC 342/24 952/24
okay
The date पे पूरा सब same.
Same.
again sir.
समान चेक कर
ସବୁ same accused different
okay
All other thing is sir.
अच्छा हाँ बाकी सब सेम
All accused or name.
annexure 5 annexure 5 सर कर दो accused जगह accused ना चेंज हो बाकी सब सेम
House of some.
और डेट भी चेंज
Right.
माने सरेंडर डेट चेंज
Surrender date तो
ठीक है yes
Annexure 5 Annexure
yes madam
Item 12.
May I please, Your Honor? On 29 March 22, my lord, NBW issued, 19 January 21, my lord, you are then bail by the son of.
हाँ कौन था आउटर कौन
My lord, in 29 March 22, my lord, NBW has been issued.
yes
And 19 January 21, my lord, the petitioner was released on bail by the son of court.
3 years.
In PLA bill number 5220/22.
okay 500
Item 13.
May appeal. Bail, my lord, 2516 in ABLPL number 5911 of 16. Bail. NBW 1819.
16
119.
19
19 मसिया एटा 16 मसिया ये
then you have to pay 1000
Obliged.
pay 1000 yes
Item 14.
May I please, Lord? The question of NBW issued by the JMFC 1 on 13/3
in the 138 138 in it.
and I
138.
खाली only question for NBW.
petitioner is an accused the petitioner is an accused in
Petitioner 60 years old lady.
complaint under section 138 due to his absence in the proceeding before the JMFC 1 cognizance Cuttack in ICC case number 443/2019 NBW was issued on against NBW was issued against the petitioner on 13/3/2024 same thing
Item 15.
May I please question? This is Belgium matter, my lord. NBW issued on 1/7/2016 and the present petitioner was bailed by the National Court on 25/4/2014, my lord.
1000
Obliged, my lord.
no what 1000 how many of you are there
My lord.
500 each
Obliged, my lord.
500 each
My lord.
senior 1500
16.
Prayer of IO NBW issued.
Yeah.
Absconder. Prayer of IO NBW issued on 4/10/2012.
he was absconder.
Yes.
The petitioner, the charge sheet was filed against the petitioner, showing him as an absconder on the request of IO. The NBW has been issued by the court below
On 4/10/2012.
4/10/2012. ठीक है? Then ताको 1000 करके
Item 16, my lord.
चलती बरा.
हाँ?
Item
16 is over. I've done it.
My lord.
Is over. That is quashed. Yes.
16. No, 16 sir.
17.
Belgium matter, my lord. NBW issued against the petitioner 21/9/22.
21/9/22.
Bail
Bail on
47/13.
47/13.
500. Yes.
Obliged.
Yes.
18.
On the prayer of IO Milord, 5/11/2022.
NBW issue.
NBW.
Petition, the charge sheet was filed in the instant case, showing the petitioner as an offender on the request of IO. NBW has been issued by the court below on 5/11/22.
Yes.
5/11/22 was 500.
19.
May I please, Your Lordship. My lord, the petitioner is not on bail and the NBW has been issued on 27/4/23.
Absconder, NBW.
The petitioner on request of IO.
No.
The petitioner,
By court.
The petitioner, petitioner is accused in first part. The petitioner is absconded in the instant case. Therefore, the court below, by order dated.
এইটা ভুল ଅଛି ସେମାନେ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି NBW ଡେଟ୍ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
NBW date is 27/4/23.
Yes.
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ଭୁଲ
On Annexure 3, my lord.
ସେଟା ଭୁଲ ସେଟା ନୁହଁ NBW ନାଇଁ ସେଟା NBW ନୁହଁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ Your Lordship may kindly see
Not yet.
NBW issued against him has not yet been executed so this is not the executed
When the NBW was
ସେଇଟା
issued,
ଟିକେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
Madam.
NBW ଡେଟ୍ ଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ
main NBW issue
My
execution.
lord, in view of the order dated 27/4/23, a separate case is started against the accused,
exactly
namely the petitioner.
yes
ପଢନ୍ତୁ ପୁରା
ପୁରାଟା ପଢ
ପୁରା ପଢ ରହିଗଲ କାଇଁ?
NBW,
Which is inconvenient, you don't read it.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଭୁଲ ହେଇଯିବ ଅର୍ଡର କଲେ ବି ଭୁଲ ହବ
I'm keeping it Monday, huh?
okay.
Monday. You tell me the original.
Order.
This is the execution. Keep it on Monday.
Okay.
ଭୁଲ ହେଇଯିବ
20.
The NBW order is 22/12/23, my lord.
Yes. Bail.
NBW order. Bail, my lord, is annexed 1, my lord. 7, my lord.
ଡେଟ୍ ଟା ଖାଲି
Date କୁହନ୍ତୁ.
Date is 16/12.
I have to impose more cost because he is coming and first offense is you are coming. Second offense you are not able to tell the thing. It should be 3,000 cost. What is this? When you got bail?
Yes, my lord.
bail date ଲେଖା ହେଇନି he was on bail
When the senior lawyers are appearing in this matter, this is bound to happen. So come with a lot of confidence without reading.
Yes, ma'am. Page 9, my lord, he is 16/12/2023.
16/2023 bail. NBW issued on
22/12/2023
500.
21.
Released on bail 23/2/2022, my lord. The NBW
23/2/2022
my lord.
was on bail
And
warrant ହେଲା 2/3/2024
Okay, 500.
obliged.
No, there are three accused persons.
3 accused days
So how much will be? 1,000 total.
total 1000
500 if I say it will be 1,500.
Obliged.
22.
My lord, Belgium matter.
Yes,
He was on bail on 13/3/2014
yes.
and NBW issued on 8/9/2023.
23.
My lord,
How many of you are there?
one accused.
One. Okay, 500. Yes.
23.
My lords, Mr. Bishwat Singh and his senior advocate is on VC.
What senior will do?
Yeah, my
Tell
lord.
me when. to bail.
My lord, may kindly come to page 28. This is a case, my lord, where your lordship had heard this case, my lords, on 16th of April. Judgment reserved, and when this fact was brought to the knowledge of the learned trial court, my lord, this is the order. May kindly come to page 28, my lords.
I have not said the only judgment is reserved. You are supposed to go and appear.
No, but my lords, I'm only saying then whatever the procedures we will follow.
Right on. The petitioners, the petitioners have challenged, petitioners have approached this court by filing CRLMC number 1630 of 2023, seeking quashing of the proceeding. The matter has already been heard by this court and judgment is reserved by its order dated 3/5/2023. The 3/5/23?
Let's May's
Huh?
one.
When the judgment was reserved?
That CRLMC is 3696 of 2023.
Which page?
My lords may kindly see annexure 4 series. Annexure 4 series.
No, tell me the petitioner challenge the proceeding by CRLMC number 369.
My lord has got this. I'm sorry, my lord, it's got
16 of 2023 and judgment had been reserved. void judgment is reserved when the judgment was
On 16th of April, my lords. 16th April 2024.
16th April 2024. This, therefore, the petitioner, in view of the said, the petitioner appears to have informed the court below regarding the fact that this court has reserved the judgment, reserved judgment in the quashing petition. However, the court below has issued NBW against the petitioner by the order dated 26/4/2024. 24. Hence, the petitioner is agreed. On instruction, petitioner. When are you going to appear?
My lords, I will appear next week, my lords. There's no problem.
20th
Next
is the
week,
date.
but you are awaiting judgment. Then let the judgment come. Then whatever.
That's why I was saying that.
Then let us see. Write down on instruction. Let it come for the petitioner submits that he would appear before the court below on or before 15th of June 2024 and move appropriate application permissible under law. With cost and 1,000 rupees cost. Yes.
Grateful.
1,000
Deeply
cost. Yes.
grateful.
Yes.
Grateful.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, the petitioner challenging the quashing of DWA and NPW order dated 12th September 2023.
When you have got bail?
Lordship, the petitioner challenged the judgment area amount and which is pending. DB criminal miscase, domestic violation.
Maintenance. Due to the petitioner is respondent in DB case number 37 of 2022 due to default in making the payment towards the maintenance awarded by the court below. NBW has been issued against the petitioners by the order dated 18/4/2024. The petitioner is agreed by the said order. On instruction, the petitioner submits that he would appear before the court below on or before 30th of May 2024 and seek a remedy available to him under law with this cost. Won't appear and pay the money. Yes.
Installment, lordship, installment 2,33,000.
Whatever you pay,
installment.
won't pay. I am not interfering there. Only I have stayed the execution of NBW till 30th of May. You won't appear. Yes.
25.
25. Yes.
Please, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, this is an application under section 439 of CRPC for commission of the alleged offence under section 419, 420, 467, 468, 34 of 5PC reviewed 66D of the IT Act, lordship. So far as the case of the prosecution is concerned, lordship, the informant lodged the
What is
written.
the allegation?
Lordship, allegation is that he has deposited rupees 30,000 in his ICICI bank account, but subsequently that was lent. On inquiry, the bank official intimated him that credit card amount of rupees 1 lakh is pending in his account.
It's a credit card scam. Lordship, a call for the.
No, lordship, already
Yes,
one
sir. Call for
accused
case hearing next week.
lordship, maybe one accused has already been released on bail by lordship.
Court might have committed mistake.
Lordship. No, lordship, because he is in custody since 20.
It's a scam. Let us see the
No,
CD and wait for next week.
Yes.
Yes.
26.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
In this case, my lord, co-accused released on bail by this honorable court, my lord.
Yes.
Offence under section 80C, 20B, 2C, 28, 29 of NDPS Act. It is alleged that 21 kg of 100 grams of ganja has been seized from the co-accused person, my lord. And co-accused person confession that they will supply to the present petitioner.
He's been in custody only since 17th April.
But 21 kilos, yeah.
21 kids.
Can be.
Hello.
Two kids has been telling the 2 kids person has
Allowed.
allowed. Bail.
I would have.
Next.
27.
540 kgs ganja.
Which one?
Last 7.
27.
CD
Pass or CD. 500. 500. Yes. Thank you.